What's up guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson printer not printing anything? The main reason could be lack of ink and clogged nozzles. And you can fix this easily with the right solutions. But if you want someone to help you right away, feel free to call us at the displayed numbers. Or if you've got a few minutes, I'll show you some simple ways to fix this yourself. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Print a nozzle check page. On the home screen of your printer, navigate to Setup option. In some printers, you need to navigate to Settings option or press the Settings button. After that, select the Maintenance option. Then, you need to choose the option that says Nozzle Check. If you see a screen similar to this, then do it as it says and then print the page. Check the nozzle page to ensure it is giving perfect print. If this method doesn't work, you can get direct help from our expert team by calling the following numbers. Otherwise, continue with the next method. Method 2. Clean the printhead manually. Alright, before we start cleaning anything, just make sure you've got your syringe and printhead cleaning solutions ready. Once you're set, go ahead and remove all the ink cartridges from the printer and quickly check the ink levels. If the cartridge looks low, it's best to replace it now before moving on. Alright, now gently slide the printhead towards the middle of the printer so you can work on easily. Next, grab a paper napkin and fold it like you see on the screen. Carefully slide the folded napkin underneath the printhead. This is going to catch all the extra ink and solutions. Now, take the tube from the cleaning kit, place it right over the first nozzle and slowly push the cleaning solutions through. Make sure you repeat this step for all the nozzles. Once all the nozzles are clean, go ahead and remove the napkin. You'll notice the color change. It means the cleaning worked. Alright, just move the printhead back to its original position. Finally, put the ink cartridges back in place. Close everything up and you're all done.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.